Hello everyone. As we keep on going through the rest of today, weather is going to stay pretty calm because this system that's causing our next snowstorm is going to be further toward the west. And snowstorm there is a bit of a misnomer. For a lot of us, it's mostly rain that turns into freezing rain as it hits the ground with some snow isolated towards the north. Wintry mix is more appropriate for this one. And some places are even just getting rain, but it is definitely cold enough that it's going to be a cold rain. The low pressure system is sitting way out towards our west. That is bringing a lot of colder in from the northwest as it spirals around counterclockwise, bringing up moisture and warmth from the south, but then turning that into some colder air as it reaches Missouri and Kansas right now. For Saturday, we're looking at ice accumulating between 0.1 inches and up towards 0.2, not a lot towards 0.3 inches, but quarter of an inch looks to be where we top out in a lot of the Roanoke zone, Lynchburg zone, and into parts of the NRV. The rest of us are in the winter weather advisory for some snow building up, especially towards the north. We could even see some snow. It's going to be pretty light, but it's technically possible. And we could get some more wintry mix in parts of the south side. Putting that map together, this is what it looks like. If you're traveling along the Parkway or 81 in particular, that's going to be particularly icy. If you're on 64 towards the north, that's going to be more where the snow lands. Through today, clouds are going to build up. They keep on building up overnight, but it really takes until about 3 a.m. for that rain to reach us. It's cold enough at the ground to get that freezing pretty early on. Keeps on staying as freezing rain through 6 a.m. Even through noon, we're looking at some chances of that. Although by that point, our temperatures are starting to warm up. It makes that freezing rain less likely. Also, as more rain is falling, the rain itself is usually holding at a temperature higher than 32, so that helps to get some of that ice melting. It's not going to be nice in the afternoon, but it is going to be a little bit better. By 2, we start to see a lot of this moving towards the northeast. There's not much left over in the NRV after 2. We stay pretty dry going into Saturday evening, but we do have a little bit of extra snowfall in the highlands for Sunday morning. Temperatures are only able to rise a little bit. Most of us get to the mid to upper 80 or mid to upper 30s for highs. 38 is why that came into mind. As we go through that afternoon, that's enough to get some melting going, but not a ton. Expect it to still be slick into Sunday morning. It's better in the afternoon than it is in the morning, but it's still not perfect. If you have to head out, I would kind of say wait until Monday. That's when things are going to be a lot nicer and we've got some warmer temperatures. As far as the snow accumulation goes, that highest amount is going to be from Covington towards the north. 1 to maybe 3 inches. I think 1 to 2 is going to be likely for most places. And then we could get some south of that, but potential for rain and especially freezing rain is higher there. After that, the system's going to come in from the northwest, bringing a little bit of extra snowfall for Sunday. Might get some rain showers, but it's going to be hard for that to build up. Flood potential is also there, but it's not really going to stick around for too much past Sunday. Monday going into Tuesday is when we're looking at more of it being a problem. As far as today's temperatures go, a lot of us are going to be into the 40s. Want to make sure you can see all that there. Tonight, our temperatures fall back down into the 30s for a lot of spots, but plenty of those below 32. On the extended forecast, temperatures are going to have a hard time warming up on Saturday before our rain comes on Tuesday.